हय तूं बाय टीम रे पॅटर्न बाबा आयज ऑस्ट्रेलियासान टीम येयल्या आनी पार्टिसिपेटींग इन दी बांदोडकर साहेब आयज ऑस्ट्रेलियासान टीम येयल्या आनी दे गोन पार्टिसिपेट इन बांदोडकर क्लब. हाव इज द एनवायरमेंट आनी एज अ GFA कितें सांगता?
It's a very proud moment for Goa and GFA and entire country that first time Australian club is participating for the Bandodkar trophy, and it will be immense pleasure to welcome them at the airport. And they are the, like, if you see them player, you feel they're top class player compared to our teams. Let's hope they show the better performance, and our players should also learn how they play. This is our exchange program, like. So Australia and India, the 4 Indian team, Australia and Argentina team, they will play. Let's hope the good competition.
Yes, sir. When this team is coming, this is for the first time that a team is come to Goa, especially under your leadership. How is the moment for the Goan players? It is inspiring for them, or
Entire Goa is eagerly waiting for them to see their performance, and our club are also ready. FC Goa, then Dempo, Churchill Brothers, Sporting Club the Goa. So we are also attacking player. In our gene there is a football in a Goan. So let's hope for best and enjoy the team, and let them also enjoy the culture of a Goan, and enjoy our climate also in Goa.
yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Chal.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes,
Chal, bye.
Okay, bye. Hey, ठीक है. उलेता. ठीक है बाब. एक फर्स्ट टाइम एक इंटरनेशनल टीम गोंयान येयलो हा. लॉट ऑफ प्रिपरेशन्स वर देयर ऑन द एयरपोर्ट टुडे. एज अ फुटबॉल एंथुसियास्ट तूं कितें सांगपाक सोदता?
Big honor for Goa Football Association and the state of Goa that these teams are coming down to play in Goa after many years. Foreign teams are in Goa. My request to all the football lovers in Goa to please come for these matches. See, if you all come for the matches, the stadiums will be full. The teams will also be playing good, looking at the crowd. So म्हाका सगळ्यांनी मातशें येवचें आनी गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशनाक फुटबॉल तो असो वयर काडपाक आदार दिवचो.
Shikit Bab, tari आयज गोंयचे प्लेयर्सांक दे लॉट टू लर्न. यू थिंक दॅट प्लेयर्स विल बी इन्स्पायर्ड, द गोवन यंग टीम विल बी इन्स्पायर्ड बाय दिस?
100%. हेका लागून गोवा फुटबॉल प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर कायताना फर्नांडीस येवन आपल्याक सांगता गोंयचो गव्हर्मेंटाक, चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताक हे सगळी तयारी केल्यात आनी 2 टिमी हाडून बरेंच हो टुर्नामेंटाचो दर्जो वयर काडटले म्हूण म्हाका आस आसा.
थँक्यू सो मच शिकेत. गॉड ब्लेस.
थँक्यू गॉड ब्लेस.